Smart.
Would you like to have some Wavies?
The half.
Oh, sweet. Who's feeding who? Are you feeding Waverly? Yeah.
Here's some. You like some Waverly?
Yeah. Wow, that's great. Did your big sister feed you? Wasn't that wonderful? Yeah. Can you give her some more?
Yeah.
Did you like my hair? Did you like my hair? Want some more Waverly?
You want some?
Yeah. Sweeties, who's feeding you? Willow's feeding you. Some more? Give her some more? Okay.
Hey, sister. Want some? You want some?
Waverly, you gotta try some.
You got to try some.
And let me help you get some on the spoon.
Does Waverly need some more? I think she needs more.